Unveiling an unexpected ally, a journey through English phrases. Hello and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in stories, movies, and real-life situations: an unexpected ally. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into complex narrative elements. So, let's explore together what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. An unexpected ally might seem straightforward at first glance, but there's a lot to unpack. The word unexpected refers to something surprising, not anticipated, or unforeseen. Ally denotes a friend, supporter, or someone on your side, especially in challenging situations. Combined, an unexpected ally describes a person or entity that provides assistance or support in a way that was not originally anticipated. This phrase is often used in narratives and storytelling to introduce a turning point or a moment of surprise. It adds depth to the plot by showing that help can come from the most unlikely places or individuals. In real life, referring to someone as an unexpected ally highlights the unpredictability of relationships and circumstances. It emphasizes the idea that support can arise from where we least expect it, often leading to positive outcomes. To better grasp this phrase, let's look at some examples. In a political drama, a character might find an unexpected ally in a rival politician who shares a common goal. During a community project, a group of environmental activists might discover an unexpected ally in a local business willing to fund their efforts. In personal development, someone struggling to overcome a challenge might find an unexpected ally in a new hobby or interest that boosts their confidence and skills. These examples show how the concept of an unexpected ally can manifest in various scenarios, adding an element of surprise and optimism. Incorporating an unexpected ally into your English conversations or writing can add nuance and interest. Here are a few tips. Use it to describe surprise support. When telling stories about overcoming obstacles, highlight moments where help came from an unexpected source. In discussions, use it to express the value of open-mindedness and the potential for finding support in unlikely places. In writing, it can be a powerful tool to create engaging narratives or to reflect on personal experiences where you found support in surprising ways. Understanding and using phrases like an unexpected ally can significantly enrich your English language skills, making your communication more nuanced and engaging. It teaches us to expect the unexpected in life's journey and to appreciate the support that comes our way, often from the least anticipated sources. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and will help you weave more complex and intriguing stories in English. Thank you for joining us, and keep exploring the depths of the English language.